Hey guys, we are now at a marina in Port Dickson, and over there you have the repair docks, the dry docks. There they do the repairs on the boats, yachts, and look at that. Look at that. How nice is that, man? These are obviously smaller ones, and then as you go deeper in, you got nicer looking boats. Oh, imagine being in the sea. So the feet is measured by the tip of the back, or is it the where it touches the water?
It's always bow to stern, so the sharp edge to the back.
So something like the that old looking boat there, the blue one, has actually got more real estate compared to the ones over there, because that's like sharper, but that's got more area inside.
So that one, this one, they'll count not from the anchor point, but from the edge, and same. That's not from the railing, but from the bottom.
Yeah,
that's the
the edge of the where it touches the water.
Yes. One over there, eh? No. It looks big, but it's so small. That one up there, not really place to sit.
The one with the dock on the first floor.
Yeah,
the dock floor.
The fly bridge they call it.
It's a fly what?
It's called fly bridge.
Fly bridge.
Yeah, the top part. Yeah. The one with fly bridge that's used for one that's just for the driver to drive.
Okay.
It's a waste of time.
Like the one there, that AJ or something.
Yeah, that one's nice.
That's nice, huh?
Yeah, because you see up the top there, there's a deck you can put table. That open deck, you can put table, you can put canopy up.
Oh, that's big. The one there, that's big.
Which one?
Over there.
Yeah. Oh, so many people. Where did they come from?
So there it's Alex now, boat shopping. Let's have a look. These are the single phase 16 amps power Tiga. Ooh, boats. Permission to come on board. Permission to come on board.
Permission granted.
Thank you, Captain.
You may step aboard. Your shoes have to come up.
Yes, sir.
Up there, yeah.
Wow, it's big.
It's like Eskimo. The captain will have to crawl in here to
Oh, this is the
toilet.
The lavatory.
The toilet for the captain.
For the captain, oh.
Or the crew.
So there's same on both sides?
The other one is sleeping quarters for the captain.
It's in the hull.
Is this steppable now?
Yeah.
I can see me spending a bit of time here, but I think my sunbathing days are also over already.
5:30, 5:45
Yes.
here.
You're right. With your sangria.
So there's cushions here.
So this is why we drove up to Port Dickson today, to meet up with Simon from Simpson Marine.
Hey, Simon.
And we're here to look at this beautiful Lagoon 44 footer.
It's beautiful.
So you've got the
This is it, the gen set, which is wait, how do you do this? So this is the water tank. This is the gen set. So she's outside, which there's noise. And moreover, that's your cabin for the master.
Yeah.
So your guest gets to hear it more.
When I'm moored and all that, they can do maintenance and I can still live like normal.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. Fantastic. This is where you sing that song. Go on. You care to hug me from behind?
That's fine.
So Thana, this is what we call the fly bridge.
Okay.
Okay. Fly bridge is usually just a section on top.
So all this is usable space.
What?
On top here.
Sorry?
Can you step on this and walk?
You can, but it's not. There'll be no chairs or tables there.
I see.
It'll be here. This will be throw pillows, like Thai pillows. So you lie down. The captain pilots from here.
Yeah.
But yeah.
So this is where your sexy girls hang out.
The sexy girls hang out down here and there. Yeah.
Oh, this is fantastic, huh? For the kitchen.
Yeah. So the kitchen looks out to here, and then you got two ways up the thing, and then this is the lounge. It's practically almost 360 view. Is that uninterrupted view?
Wow.
So you can sit down here and this is a new boat, so it's still being commissioned, but yeah. This is where you can sit to write your reviews. You know?
Check this out. So
that's
Amri just shifted this
right
to this side.
Yeah.
So you get to
that's what I saw on the video. So you can come up. Otherwise, you just go the other way. It's okay. No biggie.
So have a look at the engine room.
Yeah.
This is quite large. So you get to do maintenance easily.
What is it?
Yanmar.
Okay.
Very simple.
First thing we're gonna do, Thana, is put a sport exhaust in. And I don't
On the catamaran.
I don't think you can ECU flash this.
They can't. They actually can. I think they are doing it.
This is a tender.
Oh.
Tender or any small boat that you used to go ashore with.
Yeah. So you drop by.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is called debit.
Hmm?
So your tender is fixed to the debit, and then you drop it down from there. So yeah.
Hey, bro.
This could be a hydraulic. I'm not sure.
No, not yet. Leading to.
Kevlar. So then you get your stair. It goes down, and you from here. It's easy when you swim. Come up. Yeah. I'll show you the cabin. Yeah, if you want. The master cabin. I'll show you the master cabin. The guest cabin is very normal. So this is your lounge, right? Your TVs
No
here. This is still being commissioned, of course.
Oh,
Your
no
refrigerators
problem,
are all here. And you walk down to the master cabin.
Right.
This is a working desk. And to the right is the main bed, master bed.
Wow.
So this is important for me because I'm gonna spend a lot of time here, right?
And you get a view.
Yeah, got a view. That side also the blinds are down.
Blinds are down, yeah.
But if you walk in there, that's the head or the showers.
Holy cow! That's spacious.
Yeah, spread up space and lots of natural light, which is cool. I think when you're living on a boat, it's good to have natural light, so you don't feel so claustrophobic.
Yeah.
And
this is amazing.
yeah. And this here is where you do the number 2. It's small, but then you don't need a big number 2 area because it's just the number 2, right?
You just
go in,
just
go in
goes
and
out.
get out. Yeah. And so there's privacy here. Although this, you just shut this. Look.
Oh, look at that!
And then your privacy.
It's like a
You got your own little sitting area.
sitting area, space there, there's space here, there's space here.
This boat is only 46 feet, but it's got a lot of space because it's a catamaran, so the twin hull. And and look here, you can see the water.
Oh my god!
Yeah.
So if you're somewhere like with marine life and stuff, you can.
So, yeah. That's what I thought, but it's actually an escape hatch in case it's upside down. You can break it you can break the glass and climb up from the top. So
Yeah, and you got lights here.
yeah. So this is you can open all this. So this is the master, and then this here is the two guest rooms. Right, this side.
2 guest rooms.
Yeah. So we come down here, and to the left is the first guest room. This is a 3-cabin yacht.
Wow, the light makes a difference.
Natural light is always good, isn't it? And look, although it's a guest room, each guest has his own bathroom. See, privacy for your guests as well. Shut the door, and your guests can,
Do what they want.
can do what they want.
So unlike a boat.
So it's the same here.
So unlike
this
a-
one,
Yeah.
I think this one only has a. Let me see. Yeah, also its own bathroom.
Yeah.
Exactly the same thing almost. But this room is slightly smaller than the one at
Yeah.
there.
Because it's at the front, isn't it?
Yes, exactly.
It's sharp on the front.
Yes, but also has the escape hatch. And lots and lots of wardrobe space.
And here.
Everywhere here and there. But yeah, that's it.
How much is this, by the way?
Don't know. Price still uncertain right now.
Huh.
We're just here to have a look at it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, those are emergency rafts.
Mm.
When you throw it overboard, it just inflates automatically. The moment it hits the water.
Like a sensor somewhere.
Yeah. Either sensor ones or the ones where you pull, but I'm not sure. This one pull.
Okay. Yeah.
Is there another one? Or what's the
We can
what's the configuration like on the other one? It's the same, right?
4 cabin.
Oh, yeah, let's have a look. Full cabin, yeah.
So you appreciate the 360
All around. Oh, I love that. That's
amazing,
that's
the
the
view.
reason why I started looking at Lagoon. When I saw the
no
360.
other boats do this.
Yeah.
They all have compartments and
But
segments.
admittedly on video they use wide angle lens, it felt a bit more spacious. But you come here, of course, it all comes in a little bit more. But still very nice, very nice. Thank you so much. But I love this. Look, it's got a carbon fiber look. Got this standard. Look at the
Like a
dash.
Kevlar and
Yeah, and that. It's very cool.
Cikgu,
Very cool.
bagilah kau bisnes buat. Alamak, cikgu.
This boat looks interesting. This one, this trawler.
You wanna have a look?
It's solar. It's now.
it's very tall though.
Let's focus on the possibilities. So we're in Port Dickson, the marina, and there are a few boats here, new ones as well as used boats. And we're just here to look at the possibilities. Yeah. So that Evo can do different kind of reviews, not just on motorcycles and cars. He'll start doing boat reviews.
Or even Malaysia Global,
Yeah.
where Alex goes around the world.
Yeah.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Yeah, I think
You whip
this
up
will
my
suit me perfectly.
appetite.
Very baller.
86 footer.
Very baller.
Yeah. Baller, yeah.